Hello lads, it is time for another sane campaign in Hearts of Iron 4. This time we're playing Europa in Flames Agora, kind of a niche mod, and the link for it is gonna be in the description. So please stop asking for it in the comments. It's always in the description. From all the countries on this map, Belgium and the Belgium Congo got new focus trees, so today we're gonna try out the Congo. Does Liberia have a focus tree? No, they ruined. Bad mod, 2 out of 10. Well, now that I got disappointed, let's begin. We have a lot of work to do because this country fucking sucks, because somebody cannot be trusted with their colonies. So this silly looking gentleman is gonna lose some colonies today. Oh my fucking god, is this it? Guys, I think we found Old Zealand. Is this your father, New Zealand? Are you proud of him? Cause I'm not. Is this a goddamn joke? We start the focus tree with a tour? Oh, it's that kind of tour, okay. As much as I would like for this soy boy to be killed, I kinda want to go with this path, so he will have to survive. You dodged the bullet this time, Pierre. Big grateful little shit. What the fuck is this? Resources, okay. Why did we need a whole nother tab for that? This thing would have fitted perfectly here, but I'm just saying. The tour ended, but I still cannot take a focus, so I will do some industry in the meantime. Oh, look at this. The Congo has special economic and export laws because they are a puppet. This is such a nice touch. Watch and learn paradox. This is literally next level. I wish to see this in vanilla so much. It seems like I did a mistake somewhere, because assassination is failed does not mean the assassination didn't happen at all. It means somebody tried but it couldn't do it, so we have to restart. Oh yeah, by the way, this mod has a shitload of focus trees. Look at all those countries. They also have a collaboration with the South America mod, so the focus trees are the same. So just for you guys to know. Are you serious? He still didn't get shot. God fucking damn it. Oh, I didn't see this the first time. This makes sense. And I think what else I was doing wrong was picking this. So making those guys angry, maybe it's the way. I was afraid that clicking that will actually kill him, which is also not good. So yeah, I really don't know. Okay, let's see. So, get more injured, get more dead. We do not want a fatal blow, so this one. Ah, fuck. So, if I click this, we probably fail again, so those are my chances. There is still a 20% chance that he will die. Okay, he just got wounded a bit. And that's perfect, okay. Just a moment, please. I have set up a new goal for the channel. 50k until the end of this year. If you are not subscribed, please consider doing so. It will help me a lot. If you also feel particularly generous today, I have a Patreon which is in the description of this video, and you can join it for only $1. Thanks for listening to me, and back to the video. Finally, the path I wanted. It only took 3 tries. We just took control of our exports, and now I'm gonna do gather mining industry to get rid of those silly red numbers that are bothering my nation. The bell is ringing. I don't know what that means, but I know for sure that we are getting free now. One way or the other. Ah, I see. It's the hard way then. I will need more troops from that. Let's do this one. Oh my god, I only have 2 divisions? Really? I think the other Congo also only has 2. Oh my god. Are those women in my game of Hearts of Iron 4? How could this happen? They seem like they know how to fight, so I'm not complaining. I guess I only have to take Leopoldville, or at least I hope. Oh look, there are the Congolese divisions. Something I didn't tell you guys is that I paid the enemy army to go away from the capital. What can I say? I'm just a mischievous little goober, and that's not gonna be enough. We need Kananga as well. No, don't do that. Let him live. Oh, he's pushing into us. God damn it. Come on, bro. You were supposed to go over here. That was the deal. Let's clear this out. Oh, and we are ready for superior firepower. Nice. Now let's get some steel from here. And the guy is leaving. Perfect. Now this should be over. No, it's not over. We need a couple more tiles. Do they even have another victory point? Oh yeah, they have this one here. I hope I won't need to get all the way over there. No, I wouldn't. Alright, that's it. Freedom for the Congo. And soon enough for all of Africa. Mark my words. Let's assemble the Regency Council. We of course need a king now. Because what's better than being ruled by a foreign imperialist elite. Having your very own imperialist elite. The Kingdom of the Congo. I don't know why the fuck we changed color. I liked the previous one way more. Alright, and now all those paths look pretty interesting, but I think this one is the most juicy. So, Mani Congo it is. House of AGORA becomes the ruling party. I mean, dynasty. Oh my fucking god, this flag fucking sucks. Just a red X. What the fuck, our guy is called Pedro the 6th? Where the fuck were the previous 5? This is confusing. We just established the goddamn dynasty. How is he the 6th one already? Oh, yeah, sure, thank you game. I'm playing the Congo, so of course I have a naval theorist or a nuclear scientist. Cause that's exactly what I want now, to research nukes. Fuck this shit, let's do a church mission. Oh damn, a focus tree that gives you resources that you actually need. Again, paradox. Take some notes. Alright, we just made our king a field marshal. He's pretty goddamn good. And now basically here we have the path to war. But we are not ready yet because you can't conquer Africa with only 3 divisions that look like this. So first of all, I will like to take this research slot because I had only 2 all this time. And this is all I'm gonna have, 3 research slots for all the game. It hurts me just to say that. We also got to reform our army because this shit just won't cut it. I updated my divisions to this template and made 14 whole divisions. Don't really have that much else to do. And I think the World War II already started. What? Oh, Germany's in the Allies. With Communist Britain, of course. And Austria-Hungary. Nice. Why is everybody ganging on Romania? What did they do? I am extremely curious. Also, they are guaranteed by France and France is not involved. Fucking traitors. So no, this is not the Second World War yet. Damn, look at this communist China. Oh yeah, they also have an updated focus tree. This looks pretty good. Portugal is non-aligned, so I don't think they're gonna join the Allies. What the fuck, this is funny. They have British influence, which gives them democratic support, when the UK looks like this. Ironic. Oh yeah, wait, I just realized. They decolonized. The puppets are still in the Allies, but this is gonna change soon. I mean, a lot of them are gonna remain in the Allies, but not all. Okay, this is pretty bad, but at least we have a couple nations we can invade. I think some of those nations are still gonna live in the future, because I don't think I ever seen that many remaining. Oh yeah, also in this mod, if you got more than 25% compliance and less than 15% resistance, you can core shit. So let's core Burundi first. It has more people and 2 factories. Oh, look at this. Everybody left the Allies. This is perfect. I'm gonna get Uganda. I think I'm gonna get this first for war goal time reduction. Oh yeah, and I completely forgot to reform the army. Oopsie. The war goal on Portugal is ready. I'm gonna take the one on the UK, although I'm not gonna declare war because they have no territory in Africa anymore. The justification on Uganda is going pretty well. They are democratic. They might join the coalition of free Commonwealth states, but that doesn't matter. Also, almost finished all of those things. Got some pretty decent buffs for everything. So I say it's time to go to war with Portugal. Oh, they also made puppets. I hope they call them in. Oh, never mind. I can declare war on them. Okay, so if they're a puppet, that means there are no troops here, because nobody would just garrison a puppet for no reason. Yep, there was nobody here. We also core the top half of Angola. We have 14 million core population now. Next up, I'm gonna set a fallback line, so I have my troops ready in case Uganda joins this faction. I actually hope they do, because those guys are the only ones that remained. Everybody else left. Oh, and look at this. Germany inherited the Allies again, and the UK shifted. Well, you know what? I think I'm just gonna start justifying on those guys right away, because I don't think Uganda is gonna join anyway. You know what? I think it's actually good that the UK decolonized, not because it's way more easier to conquer shit, but because all of those countries got quite a bit of factories, which they wouldn't have had if they remained British territory. And yeah, it's a good thing that I justified because they didn't join the faction. I don't think any of those... Oh no, wait, actually they have some divisions. Not a bunch, but some. Oh, France just created its own faction with Switzerland. Ah, fuck. The Americans are in the faction. You know what? I think it's still worth it. I'm gonna get those divisions out and declare war on the French. I can only push until Nigeria anyway, and I don't have that big of a coast to defend. For some reason my war goal on France expired when they capitulated. It shouldn't have expired naturally because I have cores on their territory here. I don't really want to justify on France itself, because that's gonna generate a lot of world tension, and I want to get a couple more nations here. So that will have to wait until later. It is time to go to war. South Africa joined the faction in the meanwhile. They look a little bit scary, but I think we got this in the bag, so let's declare war. Supply sucks over here, so pushing is gonna be a little bit difficult. It's nice that they left their capital open. Perfect for me to grab. I hope they are gonna call the rest of them in. There we go. Now we have a fight. Zambia is down, so does Kenya. I pretty much encircled Tanzania. I can't really push them because of the terrain and supply. Oh, this one is not connected. Did I capture any other supply hub? Yeah, this one. I encircled a couple Portuguese divisions here, because yeah, I'm still at war with those motherfuckers. And the South Africans are bashing their heads against my defenses, which is good. They already lost 152k men. Oh yeah, this is bad. They are already on service by requirement. Poor bastards. They shouldn't have joined this faction. I managed to push them into this port, so now the massacre is starting. And my war goal on Malawi is also finished. Poor South Africans, they lost almost 500,000 men. And they went up to all adults serve. Why the fuck does South Africa have 3 goddamn supply hubs next to each other in fucking Namibia? Oh wait, nah, this is the problem South Africa has. They just build supply hubs everywhere. Oh my fucking god, this is the 3rd time in a row I get strikers. Just chill the fuck out. We're gonna win this war and we're gonna prosper. Just wait a bit. There we go. I'm about to end the war with South Africa. I'm still gonna be at war with all those other guys, but it's fine. And Portugal, of course. We're never gonna get rid of Portugal. They're gonna just eternally breed down the back of my head. The US almost took out Canada. Austria, Hungary, and Yugoslavia are having the games of their life. Too bad that Yugoslavia cannot core anything. Do they even have another focus tree? No, it's the basic one. I am currently justifying on Somalia and Somalia. I think I'm gonna take out the Horn of Africa and Sudan before going after France. And then I think I literally have to be at war with everybody else. Almost finished my focus tree as well. I only have those 2 to do. And I cannot proclaim the Bantu Empire because I don't control all the British Bantu and the French Bantu. I don't know where those guys are. I guess the French Bantu are here. But I kinda own everything that was British. Maybe I need to take Sudan out. Blue Somalia joined the allies. This is a bit unfortunate because the allies look like this. Oh yeah, and Brazil. Ethiopia is also down. I got Eritrea to take care of. Oh shit, I forgot to integrate my territory. I only got 20 million core population so far. And my war goal on Sudan is gonna take a little bit more time. We got a pretty big economy though. This doesn't make any sense. I'm so behind on every single technology. And I'm currently researching nuclear bombs. I honestly don't know why I did this because I don't have a single air technology researched. So I don't know how the fuck am I gonna use those. But you know, it's good to have them. I'm also continuing to core more of Africa. I got 30 million core population now. Can't really push those guys out of here because of the division stacking and the mountains. But at least they're attacking me, so that's good. I think I have a plan to capitulate the allies though, which are fucking huge. The Soviets keep calling me to the faction. And at some point I think I am gonna accept, so that they may hopefully kill Germany. Although I don't have high hopes about them because this is happening, which is kinda silly, having in mind that those are both communist nations. And why the fuck is Mao already old? It's only 43. Well, actually he's supposed to be 50 something, so I guess that's alright. Man, I want to declare war on France so bad. But they grew their faction. They have the US, Mexico, and Japan in it, so that's gonna suck. Oh, I can actually form East Africa. Let's do it. I am now East Africa. This flag is an upgrade. Past one was terrible. And we only got 5 more million core population, not that much. Somebody let me cook, so I cooked. I declared war on Nigeria, which is now called the Sokoto Sultanate, and they joined the allies. So now they're at war with France, and they're gonna capture all this territory that I need. And I will finally become the Bantu Empire. For some fucking reason, America loves me. I managed to get military access and a non-aggression pact with them. I don't think the non-aggression pact will stand if I go to war with France, but still, it's good to have it. Never mind, the Frenchies are here. They are not gonna be able to push them off here. Well, I can wait a bit. That's what I've been doing this whole game anyway, just waiting. I got a port, boys. It's so over. Only have to deal with this shit now. I am managing, but barely. Also got stuck in Nigeria. I'm building some supply hubs now. My allies, the Soviets, are kind of screwed though, and this is a big allied faction. Now, with this supply hub gone, all those troops are surviving from Eritrea's capital and the port. So, to put it in simpler terms, those troops are not gonna have a very nice time. 23 divisions in this port. The first of many more. Oh my fucking god, is this real? It's mid invading mid? We literally have here the battle of the mids. Who do you support the most, guys? A balding British commie man? Or a already bald, a bit less commie Italian man? France came back to life somehow. They are the Kingdom of France and they are green. Oh yeah, and the Soviets capitulated. Now there is just a free-for-all in Asia. I don't know what the fuck the allies are thinking, but look at this shit. They are sending so many divisions here. Look at this. Fuck! Something bugged there. I was spamming the H key, but they did not stop. Fucking hell. Well, I still have this one though, but they are in the other faction, so allied troops are not gonna get here. Well, it was nice while it lasted. I killed 1 million German in the meantime, a couple French, 500,000 Swedish, 500,000 Austro-Hungarians, and 1 million Chinese. So I guess now I can go for Egypt. Also, why the fuck is my capital in Tanzania? When did this happen and why? Oh, probably when I formed East Africa, yeah. I got a couple nukes, but I'm nowhere near ready with the planes. So it's gonna take 1 or 2 more years until I'm gonna be able to control the skies. Well, this is about it, guys. I finally got access to deploying nukes, so I'm gonna make that everybody's problem now. Probably even to myself, to be honest. Just conquered Egypt. It was very easy due to my technological advantage of only having 3 research slots. Right now, I am behind literally every single technology. I haven't touched support companies since 1940. Although this template hits pretty hard, not gonna lie. Also declared war on Spain. I tried to invade this little island in case I need it later, but that's never gonna happen. This is how my cores look like, and I'm just about to core this state that has 24 million people. I currently have 82 million, and I'm gonna declare war on France pretty soon. Oh yeah, those are the casualties, by the way. The allies got 30 million. Probably around half of them are from me. The other half is from Japan and China. Pretty much every single country is at least on service by requirement, and a lot of people are on scrapping the barrel. Oh yeah, and this is the other faction, 10 million people. I don't know where the fuck Portugal gets all those people from, because I killed 1.2 million. Oh wait, they have 0. I thought they had more than this. Never mind. Oh, maybe I was looking at Spain. Yeah, that's right. Anyway, time to kill some more. I am just about to conquer all of North Africa. So the last one I have to take care is France. Free France, not the Kingdom of France. Oh yeah, sure, the democratic Free France. Very, very democratic. Why the fuck is everybody turning communist? Germany, are you turning communist? Oh, no. They have a better idea. Oh my god, I can finally take another focus in 1949. I still cannot push those guys out. They stacked a lot of divisions here and I don't have enough air superiority to drop nukes. I killed a lot of their planes though, which is good. Might be a good idea to build some AA here. Well, now this is my Quebec, guys. I really enjoy this. The Bantu Empire has been formed. And I honestly dig this flag even more. And we only need a couple more states to unite the Kingdom of Africa. It's a bit weird going from an empire to a kingdom, but okay. Also got a couple more cores. Now I have 125 million. And with those 5 last nukes, I concluded the conquest of Africa. A sight to behold. I even got so moved about this that I did it all over again. Well, this is it, boys. It took 14 years, 32 million dead, and going to war with pretty much all of the world, but it's done. All I have to do is take this little piece now, and I can start the last focus. Those are the casualties if you are interested. 40 million for the allies, most of them from China, 7 million for the coalition of free states, 1.5 million for the Southwest Pacific, and 2.5 for NATO. I wish I could get Madagascar, but I don't think it's possible. The Kingdom of Africa has been founded, and we went back to a boring flag. That's bad. 185 million core population, and we also get a core on Madagascar and the islands, I believe. There is something we don't core, but I don't know what. Maybe the Sinai? Yeah. No, wait. That's only 19k. Oh, and the Suez. I got it. Other than the people we already have, we can get around 5.5 million more if you get all the islands and Madagascar. But this, guys, this is beautiful. It's all I ever wanted in Hearts of Iron 4, to unite Africa. Vanilla HOI will never be able to. Oh, look. Yellow China won, and the Germans are invading America. How the fuck did they even got here? Oh, from Brazil. Roadkill, that's right. So this was it, guys. Hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching this far. And as always, I would like to thank my Patreons for supporting me every single month. Flossie, Tomiliawan, Arctic, CJ, Matra, Devante, Thunder, Grongwegs, Windows Mistake Edition, Gateflicker, Jack M, Erika Mannerheim, and Ayan. Thank you guys again, and until next time, don't forget, this is everything I could ever ask for.